Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to watch a FACEIT demo, especially in CS2. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first off, you want to go ahead and go to your game or match. Now, you'll be able to see a download demo right here. Okay, or go ahead over to matches right here at the top right. Select one of your matches and the demo will be available if it's recent. Okay, just click on download, wait for the process to finish. As you can see, I already downloaded one. Now, I'm going to close this one or close the browser. Now, what we're going to do, now we have the RAR file. Okay, so just go ahead and extract it right here to your desktop. Wait for it. Here I have 3 files because I downloaded one from HLTV, but yours might be different. Only one. Okay, that's fine. So I'm just going to download the Mirage right here. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and go to Steam. Okay, library. Got to find CS2. Right click, manage, browse local files. Okay, and here double click on game, double click on CSGO, and then here what you're going to do is just paste the specific demo. Move it right here if you want to. Okay, remember the name, of course. For example, I have here Paravision versus Spirit. Okay, so let's go ahead and hop back in to Counter-Strike. Now enter console. Now type down play a demo space. As you can see here, automatically you'll be able to see a list of demos that is available. Okay, let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in the 3. So I'm going to close console, add in the 2 others right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and hop back in to Counter-Strike and open up console. So when you type play demo, as you can see here, we have 3. So just click on one, hit on enter, and just wait for it to load. That is it. That is how you watch a FACEIT demo in CS2. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.